Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news both China and the EU seem to be facing banking and debt pressures. Different, of course, but each challenging in its own way. But first in the US, mortgage applications edged slightly higher last week from the week before, but were 30% lower than at the end of September and about the same week level as a year ago. And yesterday we noted the bullish outlook for Walmart as part of strong American retail activity. But today we also need to note the downbeat assessments from another major retailer, Target. After the unexpected September dip, Japanese exports rose again in October, even if the rise of 3.1% from a year ago was less than the rises they had in 2024 to August. Imports rose too, but even more modestly, up 0.4%. And Taiwanese export orders remained very buoyant, up 4.9% in October from a year ago, and a rising pace. The rise was mainly driven by increased export orders for electronic products. And the Chinese central bank left its November loan prime rates unchanged at the new lower October levels of 3.1% for the one-year loan prime rate and 3.6% for the 5-year. And chickens are coming home to roost for Chinese banks that went along with the emergency lending during the pandemic. A government-encouraged surge in lending designed to be a lifeline for small businesses during the pandemic has started to worry their banks, as misappropriation has caused the loans to go bad at an increasing rate, due in part to China's stubborn real estate slump. The official response to the problem? Ease back on lending standards. In its latest financial stability review, the ECB is warning that the combination of low growth and high debt is about to play out there with some severe economic stress. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now just on 4.41% and up 2 basis points from yesterday at this time. And the price of gold will start today at $2,649 an ounce. That's up another $26 from this time yesterday. And oil prices are little changed, still just over $69 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is still just over $73 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 58.7 US cents and back down 30 basis points from this time yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're 10 basis points lower at 90.4 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're unchanged at 55.8 euro cents. But that all means our trade-weighted index starts today at 68.5 and down 10 basis points from yesterday. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.